Hello, everyone. Thank you for tuning in. This is Mary with 8020 CRM, and today we're going to discuss creating a new contact and associating it with either a business account or a person account to avoid orphan contacts in your organization. And you might be wondering, what are orphan contacts? Or why do I want to avoid orphan contacts? So, orphan contacts are contacts that are not associated with an account, and essentially, these types of contacts are only visible to admins, so they can get lost in the system, and we want to definitely avoid creating those types of contacts. So, from the homepage, I am going to hover over the Contacts tab, and I'm going to select the drop down arrow. And now I see this menu of options, and I'm going to click on New Contact at the very top. I will see this new pop up window where I can plug in all of the information that I have available for the contact. That includes your first name, last name, titles, emails, contact methods, etc. So I want to focus on the right side of this page. And here I can select an account name. So once I click in this box, in the search box, I see recent accounts. And if for some reason this new contact is going to be associated with a business account and this business account is not already created, you can select new account, leave the record type as business account, and click next. And now I have an area or a new pop-up window that's requesting the details for this new account. I can type in the account name, the account type, any markets. If I scroll further down, I have address information, brokerage info, lender information, and vendor information. So any information that you have for a business account that you can plug into the system, please do so, and then click save. For the purposes of this video, I'm going to cancel. But if you did create a new business account, you would now see that new business account associated here. For this specific contact that we're working on, we're going to create a person account. So instead of going through the process of creating a new account, I'm just going to check off this box so that the person account is automatically generated once I save this new contact. So I'm going to continue scrolling down, and I have to select my contact type. And I'm going to say that this is a partner. If this person is specific to certain markets, you want to select that as well. If you have the mailing address, any agent broker information, any vendor details, buyer info, you want to select and plug in as much information as you have available. And once you finish, you can click save. And now you have a new contact and a new person account to go along with that contact. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to our team, and we will be more than happy to answer those for you.